Okay, so number 14 is a statistics question, and let's look at the question. It asks of the mean, median, and range, which changes the most after the 24-inch measurement has been removed? So, looking at this table, let's start with the range. Before we remove the 24-inch measurement, the range is 24 minus 8, so that's 16. After we remove the measurement, the largest measurement would now be 16, so the range would change to 16 minus 8, which is 8. So the range would change by as much as 8. The next one, median. If we look at median, we can tell that since there are 21 data points here, we know that the median is located at the n plus 1 over 2 position, right? So if there are 21 data points, then the median is located at the 21 plus 1 over 2, so 11th position. So that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 12. So before we remove the 24-inch median, the measurement, the median is 12. After removing it, the median will be basically here. It will be the 20 plus 1 over 2, so 10.5 position, which is the average of the 10th and the 11th positions, which is also 12. So the median doesn't change at all. Oh, and just a note, when you see these types of questions on the SAT which ask which changes the most, or which is the greatest increase, or which is the greatest decrease, it's talking about an absolute change, or an absolute increase or decrease, not a percentage change, increase or decrease. So we have this. And then finally for mean, you could calculate the mean in both cases, but that would take up a bit of time. You can actually just look at this and you can kind of tell that the mean can't change by as much as 8. Because after we remove the 24-inch measurement, that means it'll be the mean of these data points. So since 8 is the smallest one, the mean would have to be greater than 8. But if you look at all of the data points, including the 24, if the change was greater than 8, if there was a change that was greater than the change in the range, i.e. a change of greater than 8, that means when you include the 24, the mean would have to be greater than 8 plus 8, or 16, right? Which is clearly impossible. So it can't be the mean. A more rigorous way of seeing this, I guess, is that if we let m be the mean before we remove the 24,